Sembut Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau Ba Senyaw Balangdar, Ulong Ba Kesorkar kan Bishar Bniak Ba, Ya Kamat Alo Kejing Dawa Juginok Shong Shnong, Kashnong Lengkong, Kabadan Nakatan Kaput Bagari Bangladesh, Balada Kalong Kabadan Kam kan Sara Ekane Kamat Ban Pensingaw Sya Kesorkar Pedeng. Uba Senyaw Balangdar Ulapan Mena Bakani Kakam Kahap Apok Office Trikam Jong Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasi Hills. Ubrang don Pedeng Kejing Penbet Bagi Ekran Bagi Try Jaka Bat Kibor Kibri Kemi Baro, Kentup Yak NBCC kabadek agency ke bapentrai kini ke jingker ha ke jaka kaput. Namar bakani ke digamat ke bakta ya ka kaput jongkari bagi waipat kiri. Kinong syak syak kila penpau ya ke jing bomponi ke rukom ker sai narsha ke batmu banshna kam hapo jong jaka jongkari India. Namar ki kwa abantip tikira katno kaban ker no uput usam ubati kena bat menta ki kai pot baro kadang don hau deputy commissioner. Ki nong syak syak ke lengkong kabahap apok ke district East Khasi Hills kila penlong ya kejing hipat ba akan nyutrik ujeliau da kabadawa ba ya kejing ker ya kejaka kaput di benchna na du zero line om manchushna kam syajngai hapok kejaka jungkari India bagi nong shnong kila ai tiru ya kedorkas syau subdivisional officer ka penursla civil subdivision da kabekentu gibor sarkar ban pensangyan Omar do da kejing trei kabede ba kejing ker sainar sya keberang yad hado banda pentikna bat ban penbet kejing baro.
It's from the DC office. So even now presently, DC is in coordination with this landowner. They are still under the process of discussion because it's international issue.
But what exactly, why these people are resisting?
Which one?
What is the issue? What is the main problem?
Must be there's some problems. So the problems from DC office know exactly how far from the pillars, how near from the pillars. So all this record is available in the Deputy Commissioner office.
Mother, the people are demanding that the fencing should be directly from the zero line, not 100 meters.
That's why they are demanding this and that. So that's why DC has to examine properly in
Uh,
coordination with the NBCC since they are the implementing agency.
but but have the state government take up the issue with the central government?
No, we
regarding-
will see. Obviously, we will see because we have after examination. So obviously, we will take it over the central government. No doubt with that. No doubt.
Can we just get an update?